let's take a quick tour of the new Amazon Echo. Now, it's easy to control your smart home, play your music, get the news and weather, and check your calendar, all with just your voice. To get the attention of your device, say the wake word, Alexa. You'll know your device is ready when the light ring turns blue. Echo helps you organize your busy life. Alexa, what's on my calendar today?
Today there are 2 events. At 8 a.m. there's yoga class, and at 9 p.m. there's movie with family.
Alexa, what is India's cricket score?
India has scored 253 runs in the first innings for 7 wickets.
Alexa, set a timer for 12 minutes.
12 minutes, starting now.
When the timer sounds, you say, Alexa, stop. Ready for some music? Just ask for a song, artist, or genre from your favorite music service. Alexa, play popular songs.
Playing the top Bollywood songs.
And with multi-room music, you can play music on your supported Echo devices in different rooms. Alexa, play music in the living room.
Playing your music in living room.
Once you've set up your contact list in the Alexa app, you can message or call someone on their supported Echo device or the Alexa app on their phone. Alexa, call Pooja.
Calling Pooja. Sanjay is calling.
Alexa, answer the call. After setting up your compatible smart home devices, use your voice to control your home. Alexa, turn on the bedroom light.
Okay.
And remember, Alexa is always getting smarter. And with thousands of skills, Alexa can help you take control of your busy life. Be sure to explore the Alexa mobile app or ask Alexa, what can I do, for even more fun ideas.